Saan yan? Oh, see? Kita nyo yan guys. Nandito ako guys. Oh, may namatay na pine tree dito. Patay na yun. Oh. Sayang. Yan yung Palace of the Sky. Gusto nyo makita yung Palace of the Sky. Yan guys, oh. Palace of the Sky. Okay.